How to set reminders on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can set reminders on your iPhone. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. Setting reminders on iPhone is a fairly simple process. The most easiest way is just by using the Reminders app itself. Launch the Reminders app that came pre-installed with your iPhone. If it did not come, download it from the App Store. Now once you've done that, just go ahead and then allow the notification right over here. Now what you can do is we can set a new reminder by tapping on the plus icon from the bottom that says new reminder. We can ask what the reminder will do and we can set a date for that reminder and tap the done button to set the reminder. There's also another way to do it, that is to simply ask Siri to do it for you. So you can say, hey Siri, or whatever it is that you've activated, and then just say that set a reminder for me on this date, on this particular day, for this particular purpose, and it will set a reminder for you. These are the ways on how you can set reminders. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.